Facebook advertising. How to use dynamic ads and lead ads to promote your brand better and faster. Keep in mind there are myriad ways you, as a marketer or entrepreneur, can target prospects on the world's #1 social media. Relying on Facebook's algorithmic power, find out how you can leverage your content in front of potential customers while encouraging them to engage with your brand and share your posts and ads. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of Sweetie Kiwi. I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous today, if you were to ask me. Today, I want to talk to you about dynamic ads and lead ads. Now, first, let's talk about dynamic ads. You have catalog, sales objective, plus carousel, collection, or photo format. This allows you, and we've put this on the screen. You can see here what is a carousel. And a carousel ad, you can automatically promote the most relevant items from your product catalog, and you can retarget people who have shown interest on your site or app. You can personalize your ads without the manual work here. Now, the good thing about dynamic ads is that you can automatically promote your relevant items. Facebook dynamic ads automatically show the right products to people who have expressed interest on your website, in your app, or elsewhere on the internet. So simply you can upload your product catalog. You can set up your campaign one time and it will continue working for you as long as you want, So you find the right people for each product and always using up-to-date pricing and availability. You can personalize the pitch. You can complete the sale. As you can see here on the screen, you have the carousel, you have the single image, the single video, or the slideshow. Now, if you use the carousel, you can create an ad with 2 or more scrollable videos. Now, what do you need to run dynamic ads? You need the Facebook Pixel or SDK, right? Dynamic ads work best if you have a strong feedback loop between your online product catalog and your ads. So you can install the Facebook Pixel on your site to get started. You can also increase app installs by showing relevant ads that drive directly to download. For this, you need to install the Facebook SDK. So SDK stands for Software Development Kit. This is usually a collection of software development tools in one installable package. So the SDKs usually ease the creation of applications by having compiler, debugger, and perhaps a software framework. They are normally specific to a hardware platform or operating system combination. So the Facebook SDK is great for this. Now, so you need the Facebook Pixel or SDK to run dynamic ads. You also need a business manager account because this dynamic ads work at a larger scale than most ads. You need to have a business manager account. You also need to have a product catalog. So you can create and upload a product catalog to Business Manager so you can start showing the perfect products to each person, right? Now, the good thing here is that if your website is powered by one of Facebook's partners, for example, Shopify, Magento, or BigCommerce, you can skip this particular step and automatically set up dynamic ads for your business. Now, the great thing here is that dynamic ads can power your specific business goals. For example, if you're in travel, you can use travel ads. Previously, they used to call it dynamic ads for travel. Now they've changed the wording here, right? So you can promote, for instance, an itinerary to people who want to travel. If you are if you are a travel agency or you work in the hospitality industry and someone is ready so whenever someone is ready to book a trip or just looking for a travel inspiration, you can match intent with items from your travel catalog. If the person were browsing hotels but didn't make a reservation, or if they were looking at flights but they never booked a trip, travel ads let you show them relevant ads based on their specific dates, destinations, and other trip details. Now, you can use the same thing in the auto industry, so automotive inventory ads. Previously, Facebook used to call those dynamic ads for auto. It was kind of long before. So you can show the perfect mix and models to potential car buyers. All you got to do here is to upload your vehicle catalog with details. Here I'm talking about make of the car, the model, the year, and then automatically You can generate ads that show the most compelling inventory to the right audiences. It's all about matching the right content, the compelling content to the right audiences. And you can use the automotive automotive inventory ads to direct people towards vehicle detail pages, lead submissions forms, or other valuable places. And the good thing here is that you can continually show your most relevant vehicles to potential auto buyers, so they're never bored. Your content will always seem fresh. Real estate is another field where you can use dynamic ads. Now, dynamic ads for real estate are great on Facebook because you can close deals with people who are looking for new homes, for example. You can get your listings in front of people who have expressed interest in buying or renting a new property. Now, with dynamic ads for real estate, one of the benefits is that you can show the right properties to interested buyers based on criteria such as neighborhood, price, square footage, or more. Right? So this is basically it. So when it comes to leads, when it comes to dynamic ads, you can show them in travel, in auto, in real estate. Those are just examples though. The list is not exhaustive. Those dynamic ads work in every industry. I was just giving you some examples here. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of Sweetie Kiwi, the awesome Sweetie Kiwi show. We are still having our conversations around Facebook advertising, how to use dynamic ads and lead ads to promote your brand better and faster. And I want to talk to you now about lead ads. In the first section, I was talking to you about dynamic ads. Now, lead generation is kind of critical for every business, and you can use these ads to reach your lead generation objective, any format paired with a lead form. Now, you can generate qualified leads for your business by giving people an easy, intuitive way to get the information they want, even if they are on mobile. And you can generate new leads by providing value to people. Now, just a few taps can lead to great things. Think about it. A lot of people want to hear from your business, but filling out the form can be difficult on mobile, right? So what Facebook has done is that they have lead ads that make the whole lead generation process easy. So people can simply tap your ad and a form pops up. That form is already pre-populated with their Facebook contact information and ready to be sent directly to you. So with just a few taps, they can get the information they want and you generate a qualified lead for your business. Now you can use mobile, and Facebook fosters a lot mobile because they want you to make the most on mobile. So they have pre-populated form. You can reduce drop-offs. So lead ads do most of the work by fulfilling out the purpose of your ads, and they fill out contact forms, so people are more likely to complete them. Find leads that matter, right? So you reach the right people by pairing lead ads with your audience selection and optimization product. You can ask the right question. You can integrate this with your CRM. CRM stands for Client Relationship Management Software. Okay. And you give people what they want. Now, to get higher quality leads on Facebook, you want to customize your lead ad, because lead ads are so much more than just the form, right? They can help you drive objectives from the top of the funnel, like brand awareness and reach, through customer acquisition. So you can optimize your lead ads for quick follow-up or higher quality leads with custom features. You can add custom questions. You can use dynamic ads for lead generation. You can implement the dealer locator. That's even better. If you are in a business like real estate, if you're a broker or you are a car dealer, you want to implement the dealer locator. So once a potential auto customer, for example, completes a form to find out more, you can show them where the closest dealership is located and let them sign up for a test drive. You can even add a click to call option. right? So that if when someone completes a form, you allow them to call your business right away to start a conversation. And the earlier you start a conversation, the better it is for your business, right? You can allow people to book with appointment scheduling. You can create higher intent lead forms also. Now, another thing that is important, Facebook is a very competitive spot, very competitive marketplace. So you need to make everything to make sure that your lead ads stand out, that they are captivating, they are eye-catching. How do you do that? You want to show your ads value. Your ad should clearly communicate why it's valuable for people to share their information with your business. Keep it simple. The last thing you want is overwhelm your audience with too many questions or random questions. Keep your questions aligned and ask as few questions as possible. Reflect your brand. Your brand should be reflected in the ad. And it should also attempt to drive a response from your audience that builds intent. Remember, content should help build intent, or content should help drive intent. Let's talk now about what else you can do with lead ads. Now, Facebook understands that there are nuances specific to your industry. So what they've done is they have custom features for lead ads with business in mind. So for instance, if you are in the auto industry, you can use the dealer locator as I spoke about earlier, so people can find nearby dealerships, as well as indicate a date and time preference, so to set up a test drive. You can, if you are in the education sector, you can use custom questions to generate your interest forms for your different courses and programs. If you are in a B2B, the business to business field, you can use click to call so that potential clients can contact you right away to learn more. If you are in the CPG stands for consumer packaged goods, you can show information about relevant products to current or potential customers and allow them to sign up for a newsletter or even request a sample. The possibilities are endless. Okay, I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of Sweetie Kiwi. We're also having a conversation here around how to use dynamic ads and lead ads to promote your brand better and faster. So I have explained to you right now what really lead ads were about and dynamic ads were about. Let's talk now about Facebook advertising tips. Regardless of your ad type, dynamic or lead, here are some tips to implement so you can convert faster and more. Keep track of qualitative metrics. Take advantage of Facebook's precise ad targeting. You want to test different creative assets for best results. So you want to test different ads first. You want to test different videos, different images. Pay attention particularly to what visitors do after they click. Never force new trends into your ad strategy. If something is popular, whatever, don't try to follow the crowd here. Be unique. Find inspiration from your competition. Publish videos that are short and sweet, right? Content must be very concise and precise. Don't fixate on vanity metrics alone. Another thing you want to do is make sure that you give a 100% priority to the mobile experience. Experiment with video. Diversify your ad format. Pay attention, most importantly, to load time. Now, load time should be quick. Things will be faster if you have a shorter video, right? Load time is critical. People's attention span is getting lower and lower and lower, so nobody has time to wait. And convert high performing content into ads. All right. This is really pretty much the end of this conversation. I really appreciate having you around. Just gonna give you a quick recap here. Today I talked about dynamic ads, lead ads, and I gave you some Facebook advertising tips. I hope you found this content very valuable. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you are aware when we release the new show. We do this every single day, rain or shine. We released about one or two shows depending on the workload we have and the topics available. And comment below, let us know your experience with Facebook advertising. Share this content and like it. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.